It's basically common knowledge that to make a past regular verb in English, all we have to do is either add ed to the end of the verb or just d. Example, the verb dance becomes danced. The verb walk becomes walked. But do you know that ed has 3 different sounds? The sounds are t, d, id. And what will tell me which sound I have to make is the sound of the letter that comes before ed. For example, the verb help. The last letter is P. P makes the P sound. Every time I have a regular verb ending in P, I will add ed, and this ed will make the T sound. So helped, helped. The second example is the verb call. The verb call ends with the letter L that makes the L sound. When I add ed to call, the verb becomes called. Called. And pay attention here because I hear so many students saying call it, call it. That's not the right way. The third example is the verb need. Need ends with the letter D that makes the D sound. When I add ed to this verb, the sound that I have is needed. So remember, if you see ed at the end of the verb, that is a regular verb in the past, and also that ed has 3 different sounds. Bye!